Here is our slide 5. Slide 5 is about inductive and deductive reasoning we used in our wiki. So our inductive reasoning is that our construction can be utilized to create a 90-degree angle with any point on the arc of the circle that is connected to the endpoints of any line that passes through the midpoint of the circle, or in other words, the diameter. So here we have line AB, which passes through point O, and we can see that point O is our midpoint. Now we can also see that both points A and B are connected to point C, and we can also see that point C lies on our arc. So then we came to a conclusion that it is 90 degrees because when we tested it out, the tip of the paper can fit perfectly on that angle. So we tested it, we created it with our own hands, and we saw when we put a piece of paper, the tip of it, on point C, it is perfect. It does create a right angle. So that's our conjecture. And then we have our facts here that says that our deductive reasoning is this line that I got from our wiki, which says that line AB is created at the diameter of the circle. So AB is a diameter, and I use it as the center of the circle point O, making it a central angle. So AOB is a central angle. Then in that case, AOB is 180 degrees since a straight line has a measure of 180 degrees. Given that angle ACB uses the same points on the circle as AOB, we have then inscribed angle ACB and central angle AOB. That means that ACB is going to be half of AOB. Since this satisfies the central angle theorem requirements, we can apply the theorem to our construction. Then ACB, which is our right angle, is half the measure of AOB, making ACB 90 degrees, like our conjecture says, or a right angle, because 180 divided by 2 equals 90. So this is how my group came up with these facts and back up our conjecture. And to make our conjecture true, we used the central angle theorem.